Make sure you completely read and understand the setup manual along with the complete owner's manual before using the brush chipper for the first time. See the machine component identification portion of the manual to help identify all important parts of the unit. Inspect the chipper immediately upon delivery for any shipping damage. Once convinced all is intact and complete, begin to dismantle the crate and expose the chipper. Start by removing the banding on the outside of the box, then pick up the box and remove it from the pallet. Once more, review for obvious assembly errors or shipping issues. Dismantle the crate surrounding the chipper to gain access to the discharge chute. Carefully lift off the chute and set off to the side for later assembly. Cut the zip ties that hold the hopper to the pallet. With 2 people, pick up the hopper and place it on the housing. Fasten the hopper to the housing and bolt in place using the appropriate hardware. Fasten housing in place using the 3/8 inch by 3/4 inch serrated flange bolts and the 3/8 inch serrated flange nuts. Torque to 34 foot-pounds. Remove the cardboard surrounding the cutter wheel. Place the discharge chute on the chipper. Ensure hinge on chipper is in the up position. Place discharge chute on. Flip the hinge down. Line up the holes in the hinge with the weld nuts on the discharge chute. Install the 5/16 inch by 1/2 inch serrated flange bolts. Torque to 19 foot-pounds. Secure with the 3/8 inch by 3/4 inch serrated flange bolts and the 3/8 inch by 3/4 inch serrated flange nuts. Torque to 34 foot-pounds. Remove the wooden chocks from the front of the wheels and remove the banding holding the chipper in place. Bring the handles up until they latch and carefully maneuver the chipper from the pallet. Follow these steps to correctly check the engine oil level. Only when the engine is filled with the correct amount of oil should you remove the yellow "Caution, Engine Needs Oil" tag. Wipe up any spills if they occur. Follow these steps to correctly fuel the engine. Follow these steps to start the engine. Follow these steps to transport the unit. You should now feel confident, providing each step mentioned was completed, that your brush chipper is ready for work.